And as you can see, while I was away, they changed the lock to my office, which is obviously contempt to the orders of the court that upheld my petition and gave orders on the 26th of November, and those orders have been extended to the 18th of September because the petition I have in the office has my contract as a subject matter. That is a very important part of my going to court. So naturally, in accordance with the laws of our country, I have to provide my services as a city manager until that petition is heard and determined in court. We already have another petition, another contempt, where some officers have been found guilty, and clearly they are not done with contempting the court. So they've gone ahead to lock my offices. So naturally, I'll do what I have to do to ensure that justice is served to me.